it's Jennah. Welcome back to another video. If you're wondering, I'm going on a field trip today, and that is why I'm vlogging. But, yeah, don't look at the background. My room is very, very messy, and I decided not to clean it. But, anyway, we are going on a field trip at school today. We're going to a career expo, but I thought I would bring you along with me, so let's go. Hey guys, here we are. We're in the band room. There's Jennah. Yep. Okay, here's the band room. Here we are. We're all here. But yeah, we're about to leave, so. Hey guys, we're about to get on our buses. We're about to call our bus names. Hi, there's people here. There's people here. There's people here. Here they are. There's them. Okay, bye. Hey, here we are. We're on our bus. We're hanging out. Here we are. Skills USA. Looks so fun. Hey guys, here we are. All of us got these green bags. So like, it looks like we're like some kind of flash mob or something. Hey guys, we're having a great time. We're all here in our green backpacks. In our flash mob.
This is boring. Help!
So we already went to one and it was really boring. So this one is gonna be even more boring. So help me. We're gonna have a blast. Bye. So guys, 5 minutes after that last clip, it rained, and I was so scared because I thought my eyeliner was gonna be ruined, but it's all right. It's all right. Here we are.
The rain matches with my shirt. See, look.
True. We're still here. We're still having a great time. Really interactive field trip. I love rain. I love
it so much.
Hey guys, we just went to a booth. I just got four highlighters, 3 pens, 1 clip. No, they were on display, and there was like a bunch of them. And I asked him, and he said take 1. So I took a lot. So
I got free headphones, a clip, and a highlighter.
I got a pen and a highlighter.
So I win. Here we are.
Really fun, interactive
field trip here. We're just standing here.
Oh my gosh, that girl is using a tractor to pick up sand.
Tractor? It's a bulldozer.
It's interactive.
That is not a tractor.
Bulldozer.
That is a bulldozer. That is a bulldozer.
Let's go in that truck. It's interactive.
I'm not going in a welding truck.
That's a cute choker that you have on.
It was my choker first.
Where'd you get it?
It was my bra. It was actually my bra, and then it was my choker.
Okay, you guys are kidding. I got it.
Yeah, you
we
got
didn't
it.
want it.
You stole it, then I wanted it as my bra, and then I didn't want it anymore.
Ah, it's raining. I gotta go. Oh my god. That's great.
Go Grace.
Okay, I'm done. I haven't vlogged in a while, but they gave me candy and stuff, so I'm about to do CPR, I think. Woo! What's up? We're eating pizza.
Congratulations!
Yes, pizza! I'm so hungry!
It's so good.
So delicious!
That boy right there. We're leaving and stuff, and I'm on the outside, but okay, bye. Hey guys, we're back at school. I'm going to get my stuff. Oh my god, there's a bit. Hey guys, I'm going to the 4th period now. Because I just got back, but bye.
No. For a long time, the hope that you have brought your majesties is finally starting to weaken the witch's power. Still, I guess.
Hey guys, I'm in science. I just figured out that Summer, no, not Summer. She's never heard the Klondike Bar song. Like the iconic one that goes, what would you do for a Klondike Bar? Never. Okay, what's your favorite quote? Okay, we're back.
Never let the fear striking out keep you from playing the game.
You heard it here first. Okay, Camden, what is your favorite quote?
My favorite quote?
Yeah, your favorite quote.
Mine is, no matter how much no matter how successful
Must be your favorite quote.
that doesn't allow you to stop working. That Shaman does.
My favorite quote is my quote that I made. People are stupider than they look.
Oh,
My favorite.
that's a good one. Mine is Love Money Party by the famous words of Miley Cyrus. Fee, I have to know, what is your favorite quote?
Fuck you.
Katie, what is your favorite quote?
What is your favorite quote from Jennah? That's my favorite thing ever been said.
Alright, what's your favorite quote?
Harry Styles is my baby daddy. From me.
Ashley,
Yeah.
what is your all-time favorite quote?
My favorite what?
Quote.
Quote from
Banana.
Mahatma Gandhi, which was...
Okay, I'm out.
Trying to understand.
Find our place in this world someday. At least for now.
I want you to stay.
I gotta go away. Guys, so I was gonna end this video like a couple hours ago. Then we're having a tornado. So guys, we're in the hallway. Here we are. Tornadoes are fun, and hopefully we don't have school tomorrow. I have my breathing strap on in case things get intense. I have my helmet on. I'm prepared. Like, I'm wrapped up in my blanket. I'm ready for the storm. Come at me. I decided I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna show you some of the lightning that's going on right now. So here we go. Hey guys, still here, having some gummy bears. I tweeted Ari that I was listening to her music earlier. She didn't tweet me back. What's new? I'll have you know, this is my last meal. Superior nut and candy gummy bears. This is my last meal because there was a tornado found in its pace. So, bye everyone. Hey guys, we're still here. Me and Jennah. Jennah. Hey. Oh. Oops. Here she is. Jennah. Okay, she hates me. But we're still here and we're hanging out. Johnny left, but go like Ashlyn's picture on Instagram because storms. Follow me on Instagram because, like, why not? Honestly, I don't know why I just filmed that, but this is not Musical.ly, Jennah, so you should not. Sorry.
Hey guys, it's Jennah. Quick little update. The tornado apparently isn't even here, but we should still stay alert till 3 a.m. So guess who's not getting sleep? Back to you, Jennah.
Thanks, Ashlyn.
Face.
You look great right now.
Thanks.
Give me your best model pose. Are you serious? That's your best model pose? That's it? Hey guys, so I'm gonna end this video in a second, but I'd like to rant just for a second. I don't know what made me think of this, or like why or anything, but chase your dreams. Like, honestly, just do what you want to do. It's your life, live it how you want to do, and don't let anyone else tell you otherwise. If it fails, then it's just a bump along the road and an obstacle for you to overcome, because you can do it. If you like this video, be sure to leave a like, and you can subscribe if you would like to. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!